it's not a cloud. It is a huge collection of millions of tiny, shining dots. All those dots are stars. Into each of them, we could easily stuff in millions of Earths. Our sun is a star too, but it is much, much closer than any of the other stars we can see. By the way, what do you think will be the distance between two side-by-side stars there in the Milky Way? Take those two dots for example. Can you believe it that they are separated by millions of kilometers? But those stars themselves are so far away that they appear jam-packed. In fact, we receive the combined light of all those millions of stars, which makes it look like a cloud. That is the Milky Way's age-old secret. Meanwhile, have you noticed that while we have been chatting, time has been steadily passing? The sky has changed. Remember, we were seeing the Great Bear, or Saptarishi. We were also seeing Scorpius, but they have now set in the west. At the moment to the south, there is another famous constellation. Notice those stars. They form some sort of a triangle. That is Capricornus, the sea goat, or Makar Rashi, which is famous for the Makar Sankranti that takes place every year in January. To the north of Capricornus, observe those stars. Can you imagine them to be in the form of the letter W? That's another well-known constellation, Cassiopeia Kashyapi, the famous queen of Egypt. Just a little away from Cassiopeia, can you spot that tiny patch of light? It looks like a small bit of a cloud. That is the well-known Andromeda Nebula, which was a mystery for thousands of years. We cannot see it from big cities. Did you ever see it from a village? Let's now observe Andromeda again through one of the best telescopes in the world. As you can see, it is not a cloud. Actually, Andromeda is a collection of approximately 100,000 million stars.